Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can properly connect to the water and electricity washing machine Whirlpool TDLR. So let's start from the water out pipe. This is pipe for the dirty water, you are connecting it to the water out socket. The next one, it's a water supply, is located here. To connect it, you should find the pipe in the accessories inside your device. So you are connecting this pipe to this place, and the other end of this pipe you are connecting to the cold water. And the last one, the power cord, of course, plug it to the electric socket. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.